With the Photobacks Sports Package, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing sports-themed images you could possibly imagine. They have all the tools you need to create images faster, better, and easier than everyone else. You can see here as we work in one of the templates, everything is fully customizable. You can easily add your photos using our Photobacks Control plugin and then adjust all the text, rearrange all the layers. You can use your own fonts or you can use the fonts that we include. This here is just a webinar I did recently with this package. You can see I even changed the backgrounds that were included. You can change colors, everything to match your photos perfectly. There are so many different templates that you can choose from to start you out. Again, this is just to save you a ton of time so you can do the things that you really love instead of staring at a blank screen inside of Photoshop. You can see in this template, we just did one for lacrosse. Then we can easily change that exact same template, use it for football. Change all the colors, match your team exactly the way that it should be. What about creating a great trading card? All these different templates just give you different ways to create new print products or online images to share with your clients, customers, family, or friends. You can also really get a little bit more advanced and do complete background extractions of your original photo and make sports posters like this one. Exciting! Who wouldn't want to see their image straight from the ball field right onto one of these amazing backgrounds? And we teach you how to do this. You're going to get a complete sports video guide that explains exactly how to do everything you're seeing right here. So you can make one of these sports posters yourself, and everybody will love them. With this template, we wanted to create something totally different. We wanted to actually build a mouse pad. So we just resized the template, position the layers exactly where we want them, then go to any website we want where we want to make a print and send it off to the lab. They do the printing and send it to us. So again, you can print any product, you can share these images online anywhere, and you'll really get your customers or family and friends to absolutely love what you're able to do here. So check out the Photobacks Sports Package and don't delay. You will love what you can do.